Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS Management Console, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type aws.amazon.com and press enter. Once the AWS homepage loads, locate the Sign in to the Console button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign in to the Console button. This will redirect you to the AWS Management Console login page. Here, you will need to enter your account credentials. If you have an AWS account, input your email address or mobile number associated with the account in the first field. Then, click the Next button. On the next screen, enter your password in the provided field. Make sure to check for correct spelling and case sensitivity. After entering your password, click the Sign in button. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter your authentication. Retrieve the code from your authentication device or app and enter it in the given field. Once the code is verified, you will gain access to the AWS Management Console. If you encounter issues logging in, ensure you are using the correct credentials. Consider resetting your password by clicking the Forgot Your Password link for assistance. Once logged in, you can start managing your AWS resources efficiently. Explore various services offered within the console to familiarize yourself with the interface. Keep your credentials secure and log out after your session to protect your account. This completes the guide on how to log in to the AWS Management Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.